Friends, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add stroke to text in DaVinci Resolve. So as you can see here, I'm in DaVinci Resolve, and let's go ahead and click on effects in the upper left hand side, then click on titles, and let's use the basic text here. Drag that onto the timeline. Now in order to add this, you want to go ahead and next modify your text. So on the left hand side, I'm going to simple type the word stroke, right? And let's go ahead and put text there as well. Now the next thing is to go ahead and change the color, right? So let's change the color of this text to, I don't know, let's put it to maybe something like yellow, right? And let's leave it like that. Now you want to go ahead and modify the size of your text as well. So depending on how large or how small you want your text, you can go ahead and you can do that. You can change the font of your text as well. So let's use, for example, that. And I also want to recommend that you change the sizing if to something that you really like. No, then scroll down to where you'll find the option that says stroke. It might be collapse, expand that, and you want to change the color of that as well. So depending on what you like as well, you can go ahead and do that. So let's say I want this to be, I don't know, let's say white. I can go ahead and I can choose that, then click on OK. Then the next thing is to ensure that you change or play around with the size of that stroke. So have a look at that. See, this is how you basically do that. So that's how to go ahead, guys, and add stroke to your text in DaVinci Resolve. Very easy and very simple.